Your mind is a battlefield, and sometimes it feels like the enemy is winning. But what if I told you there's a way to take control and reprogram your brain? Here are 6 simple steps to troubleshoot your brain and regain your power. Step 1. Recognize your patterns. The first step is awareness. Take a step back and notice the negative loops running in your head. Are you overthinking? Constantly doubting yourself? You can't fix what you don't see. Step 2. Break the loop. Once you spot the pattern, disrupt it. When negative thoughts creep in, say, stop. Out loud if you have to. You're training your brain to pause before it spirals out of control. Step 3. Replace the thoughts. Now fill that space with empowering beliefs. Replace "I'm not good enough" with "I'm learning and improving every day." Your brain starts believing what you repeatedly tell it. Step 4. Manage your inputs. Garbage in, garbage out. Unfollow negativity, whether it's people, news, or toxic habits. Surround yourself with content, books, and people that uplift you. Step 5. Take action. Your brain thrives on progress. Start small, make your bed, journal for 5 minutes, or hit a quick workout. Every action builds momentum. Step 6. Practice self-compassion. Your brain doesn't need another critic. It needs a coach. Be kind to yourself on tough days. Remind yourself, "I'm doing my best and that's enough." Your brain is like a muscle. These 6 steps are your training plan to unlearn the bad and rebuild the good. Start today and you'll feel the change. You've got this. Subscribe, bro.